Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the MX-7. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 7. Let's get all the goodies. We have a 26 pull tab. Two inches. That's not a good sign. What can it be? It's deep. Still calling it 28. Oh, I hit it. Got a big old washer. We have a dime signal, 76 to 79. Inch and a half. Shake, shake, shake. All right, Stella. We have a jumpy quarter dime signal. I'm hoping it's a coin spill. Oh yeah. Now that is a coin spill. Three quarters, a nickel, and a penny. I need more like that. We have a negative 18. Let's get it. Three inches. See anything yet? We'll hit it. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, it's a crusty nail. We have a 74 penny signal. Right here, 1 inch. Oh, there it is. And it's a dime. We have a 20 nickel signal. Let's get it. Overload, that's not good. It's gonna be a big old chunk of something. Why did it overload? It's just a nickel. That's weird, I've never seen a nickel overload. You're doing some more of that. We have a 60 miscellaneous, 57 to 60. Oh, look how big that is. I didn't want to dig that. You hear that? It's a big old plate. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, we had a great day at the beach. We have one tent peg, 1 bottle cap, 1 rusty nail, 1 washer, 3 quarters, 2 nickels, 1 dime, and 3 pennies. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.